How to use Discord quiz feature. First of all, simply log into your account and now open your Discord application. Then the step that you're going to do is simply tap on your profile section and tap on the setting gear icon right over here. Then scroll it down until you find the quest. You'll find it under billing settings. Now tap on quest. And there you have it. Here you'll have all the information about the quests that are available over in the Discord. Now you can simply tap on play now and complete the quest and you'll be rewarded with the points right over here. So if you want to get started, simply tap on over here, get started. As you can see, the ad will play for some time, and after you watch that ad for 15 or 30 seconds, you will be rewarded, and then you can skip the ad and your reward will be available over here. And that's it, guys. In this way you can redeem points, you can easily see the available quests over here, and this is how you use the quest feature in Discord. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, then please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.